The error code E2 on a washing machine indicates that the water is still draining after 8 minutes. Normally, a washing machine's drainage routine begins after approximately 13 minutes when no water is detected. And during this time, you'll hear a sound indicating activity for around 8 to 10 minutes. The pump will also run continuously. But if draining continues after this period, the machine will display an E2 error. This error can be caused by several factors, including improper drain installation, where the drain hose should be no more than 100 centimeters from the ground to function properly. If the hose is too far or too close to the ground, the machine won't be able to pump water out of the drain pipe, causing the water to flow back into the washer. A lengthy drain hose can also cause issues, as it should be 96 inches or 244 centimeters long. If it's longer, this can result in water backflow and standing water in the machine's line, leading to an E2 error. Additionally, a clogged or bent drain can cause the E2 error, as a dirty or kinked pipe can prevent water from flowing properly, resulting in backflow and distorted drainage. To fix the E2 error, it's essential to check the drain installation and ensure it's properly installed by verifying that the U-shaped drain hose is securely attached to the drain pipe and that only 113 millimeters of the drain hose is inserted into the drain pipe. If the drain hose is too long, it can be shortened by cutting it to the appropriate length using a utility knife or hacksaw, making sure to cut the side that will go into the standpipe, not the one attached to the machine's outlet. Alternatively, a shorter pipe can be purchased from the manufacturer if cutting is not feasible. Cleaning and straightening the discharge pipe can also resolve the issue. To do this, unplug the machine and mix 1/3 cup of baking soda with 1/3 cup of vinegar. Then pour the solution onto the pipe and let it sit for about 30 minutes before flushing. Finally, straighten out the pipe and reattach it to complete the fix.